Did you know that 7 out of 10 South Africans receive spam calls every single day? This is according to Truecaller. And the shocking thing about these spam calls is that many of them promise side hustles, easy money, and guaranteed income. Now, let's be honest. South Africans are not falling for these because they are foolish. They are falling for it because times are extremely tough. Everyday expenses and living costs became ridiculously high, and the job market is uncertain and volatile. So, to the effect that when you are desperate, even a risky call can seem like a beacon of hope. So let's open the platform. I want to know from you, have you been affected by these spam calls and false income promises? And yes, the bigger question, I want to know from you, do you believe that there is a legitimate, transparent way to earn an extra income in South Africa? Something that does not have any pressure on, something that is not a scam and that is not a pyramid scheme. I'm curious to see what you are going to comment, so let's open up the platform.